And gentlemen, you know that our Deputy President for Buganda region, by his own conduct and pronouncement, has since left the party, following a corruption scandal which he failed to explain to the party, and instead of humbling himself to explain and do what the NEC had asked him, he decided to leave the party and do what he has been doing. And that followed his suspension from that position. So in light of that, he's being replaced by the Honorable Hon Muwanga. All the way from Butambala. All the way from Butambala. Takbir! Takbir! Yeah. So, behold, ladies and gentlemen, our Deputy President for Buganda, people power, our power. I need to emphasize one point. These appointments are in acting capacity up to the delegates conference. The President has appointed these people in acting capacity until the delegates conference, which will be held around June this year, and the delegates conference may choose to confirm them or to, at that time we'll be having a brand new National Executive Committee. So that is